The primary argument supporting the use of animals lies in its contribution to human advancement, particularly in the field of medicine. Historically, animal research has been pivotal in developing life-saving treatments and vaccines. For instance, the eradication of polio was made possible by experiments conducted on animals, which allowed researchers to test the vaccine's safety and efficacy before human trials. Without such contributions, medical science might struggle to achieve similar breakthroughs. Furthermore, domesticated animals provide essential services, such as transportation and agricultural support, which are indispensable in many societies. Thus, using animals for essential purposes can be deemed justifiable, provided their welfare is prioritized.